Hello once again. Hello good people. It's Kokovula, your great traditional healer, your spiritualist. Today's topic, we are talking about Umuthi and love affairs. Umuthi and the couple under stress. Isichitho, case breakup spells as part players. Evil people make people abuse each other in relationships through Umuthi, voodoos, witchcraft attack. That results in a couple having problems in their relationships and marriages, fighting, breaking up, and possibly divorcing through an attack called Isichitho, which is case breakup spells, which make people fight, have conflicts, contradictions, and possibly divorce. Isichtho is a witchcraft attack that creates irritation, anger, violence, and separation. It divides not only lovers but also families. It is all spiritual and spiritual attacks. It can mess up your life even at workplaces. It doesn't end there. It can attack your body with all sorts of reactions such as itches, acne, pimples, and funny allergies such as eczema and so on. It can make you rejected and unwanted. That's Isichitho, the case breakup spells. Relationships today have changed and are changing daily for worse, sad to say. Not for better. Cheating, conflicts, contradictions, fights, and divorces are becoming increasingly common. Relationships and marriages are highly failing, and this has seen a large rise in the number of single-parent families. It also has seen a lot of men and women attacking each other through breakup spells such as Isichitho and direct witchcraft. Through divorces, breakups, cheating, conflicts, and contradictions, more and more children are born out of wedlock. Many children are born without straight fathers or a lot of different fathers. They are born and inherit the same curse and grow to be the same troubled souls when it comes to their own relationships. This also has led to a lot of homeless children roaming the streets. These children end up in the streets because of bad parenting due to parents failing to support them. But it all comes from the bad foundation with Isichitho attacks, which derail all the systems for a couple to build a happy family. It is all spiritual. Moreover, when the couple is in a crisis, you come across a child teenage rebellion and child abuse, spousal violence, alcoholism, and other devastating problems that rob families of happiness. It is all spiritual. The family needs to go consult with spirit mediums such as Kokovula Kundawaloi to find out what is transpiring in their lives to avoid the relationships and marriage problems. Our great-grands, our primitives, used Umuthi, love spells, love potions, and charms to keep their marriage stable and happy. Love, couple and marriage problems. Our paragraph heading. Many people blame love, couple, and a marriage crisis on the entry of women into higher positions at workplaces and the modern women power in general. Nowadays, others point at moral breakdown, but it is all spiritual. Bad spirits can be casted to a person to do other things, even unethical, that he himself cannot understand when these spirits temporarily leave him to come into realization as in what is transpiring. Critical times hard to deal with have come and are dominating every relationship. Men and women have gone upset. They sleep around like dogs, causing fights, contradictions, and divorces amongst themselves. At the end of the day, they point fingers at witchcraft or shift the whole blame to Isichtho, the curse breakup spell. Yes, Isichtho, the curse breakup spell, does exist, but it is in most cases propelled by bad decisions within couples. The worst enemy of love is cheating on your partner. Couples miss it by one being a lover of him or herself than his or her partner. Men and women have become lovers of money, lovers of themselves, self-assuming, haughty, blasphemous, disobedient, unthankful, disloyal, having no natural affection, no openness to any agreement, slanderers, no self-control, fierce, no love of goodness, betrayers, headstrong, puffed with pride, lovers of pleasures than their partners and oneself. In the above mentioned, divorces, Isichitho, curse breakup spells are imminent. Lately, there is a norm of men and young women approaching wealthy women just so they could use them for money. Keep in mind that the law of attraction between a male and a female is subdued by the love of money. Many women become vulnerable to such because they will be seeking companionship, but little do they know it is only what they have achieved in life that these young men are after. These men make it possible by using Umuthi such as biza biza, zwana mina, vela bahleke, bheka mina ngedwa, ziyamlandela, isivoko sothando, amaga, and so on. This goes to show that most of the things that you see happening in the physical world are initiated in the spiritual world. Please, good people, like, subscribe, and share this video. I thank you.